you guys, it's your girl Kimberlyn XO. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you guys another wig review. This video is a collaboration with VivHair. They contacted me and sent me a wig to review for them. So of course I had to pick an extreme color because I only want wigs that I don't have anything like, right? I picked out this beautiful purple unit from them. So the wig I got is a 26-inch wavy lace front wig. It is synthetic and it's called Regency. So this is how it's packaged in a nice mint box. Inside there is a wig cap, the unit itself, and also a wig brush. I've never gotten a wig package like this before. So it comes with a net on it like they usually do. And this is the color. Pretty. I don't own any purple wigs. It says that this wig's cap size is average, and this is definitely soft lace. It looks like it has about a 2 to 3 inch deep parting space right here in the center. And then the lace goes all the way around the front, adjustable straps, and a total of 3 combs in the front of this unit. Cap construction is a glueless lace cap, and the lace is made out of Swiss, so it's Swiss lace. So I'm gonna try this on and then give you guys my thoughts. Okay, you guys, this wig cap is not just big head friendly, but it's huge head friendly. Like if you got a massive head size. Here's a hairline before tweezing or securing the unit. It's so long that I'm actually about to cut this lace further out behind my ear. Look at that parting space. My wig cap is dark brown and the lace is a regular nude color, so I'm going to put some concealer on that. I love these waves. So shedding, it shed after I cut off all of that lace, and it does tangle up a little bit, not too much. The density of this wig is extremely dense. It's not a thin synthetic wig. Shine wise, it is a little bit shiny, almost a natural shine. You could dull that down with a little bit of baby powder or cornstarch, and this unit is heat resistant, so I'm gonna flat iron the top a little bit, also put some concealer on here, and I think I'm gonna add some baby hairs today, you guys. If you do tweeze your parts, try to do it one hair at a time. Do not do a bunch of hairs because you could rip your lace. Okay, you guys, I'm back now. And I also added some baby hairs to my edges of this wig to cover up some of the lace, as you can see. Just to cover up the lace a little bit. So here's a full view of this unit. It definitely is a full 26 inches long, and this is curled, so whenever you straighten it, it's going to be longer. It's very dense, so it's not thin like most synthetic wigs are, and it's also not too shiny. Their website doesn't only carry synthetic wigs, they also carry human hair wigs. So that is all that I got for this wig review of Regency. Big shout out to VivHair for collaborating with me on this video. Make sure you guys check out their website in the description box below this video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Bye, y'all.
My